Our team works in conjunction with Tamesso, our desktop single sign-on product. Actually, we're going to create an account into Tamesso. So to do that, the first thing that we're going to be doing is testing the connection. We created a service, which is the adapter to talk to Tamesso. Is one out-of-the-box adapter. To do that, we configure it, and now we test the connection. And so we see that we are talking to the service, so that is actually good. So we're going to create an account for Janice Rivers. So we go here and manage users, and we look for Mrs. Rivers, who has actually several accounts. Let's see what are the accounts that she has. We click here on the twisty and click on accounts, and we are searching for all of them, and we see that she has, iTeam, she has a AD, another AD, the white pages, but she doesn't have Tamesso. She's going to get it now from iTeam. And again, all these can be automated based on a role and define a provisioning policy. So the account that we're going to create for her is a team account, and it's actually not team, but Tamesso. So this is the one we want to create for her. So we click continue, and we can have an automatically generated password. In this case, we're going to create one for her. We create the account and say go ahead and traverse to the other machine, which is actually, I'm going to minimize this one so we can see here, this is actually the other VM where Tamesso is, and we're going to be working with it pretty soon. So we can see the status of that request. So it's pending, and we are gonna do a refresh until it goes and talks to the service and does it. We have actually the IMS server, we have a client, we have team and TDI, all that separated into two VMs. As we can see, the process was successful. So now team went ahead in this other machine and created an account for Janice Rivers. So I'm going to log off as the administrator in this account, and we're going to log in for the first time as Janice Rivers using the Tamesso. Okay, so we log off, and we're going to log on with our brand new Tamesso account for Janice Rivers. So we're going to log in as J Rivers. And voila, we are logged on as Janice Rivers using Tamesso single sign-on. Now, the other thing that we can do is we can configure the adapter further and set it up to put the user IDs and password for this application, like the patient info, Lotus Notes, the mainframe, etc., and any other application. So Tamesso can, from day one, provision all the accounts and populate the wallet with all the user ID and passwords for the user. So the user from day one can start clicking on the applications and get automatically logged on. In the same way, if we go into team and we deprovision the user, all the accounts, including the single sign-on account, will be deprovisioned as well. we can see here that if we go to the wallet, actually in this case we haven't populated the wallet. But we populated the wallet with only one account, which is now in the wallet we see that she only has desktop single sign-on. Again, if we configure the adapter further and put the user IDs and password for all the other accounts, you will see from day one her wallet fully populated and ready to roll from day one.